Many instructors are already working on their fall 2015 courses, so this video is going to talk about the common course structure or the common design that was approved earlier in the year. You received information on this on June 1st, but I just want to go a little bit deeper into it and make sure everybody understood what needs to be done in the course. If you sent in your course request form and your course has already been set up, you'll see something similar to what's going on in this course. You'll have all of the buttons over on the left that you normally would have had in the course, with 4 additional buttons added at the top with a divider line. So these 4 buttons were what were approved for the common design, the divider line, and then you have a choice of 3 options or 3 additional buttons that are optional, but they are your choice. The home page area is going to contain automatically announcements, a what's new section, and a to-do section, things that will automatically become populated as you put things in your course. And this is what the student will see here, and it is by default the landing page for the course. The second required button is course information. There are a couple things that will already be in the course for you. For example, the contacts and the MCC library resources. If you click on contacts, you will still need to put your information in, but we have changed the contacts a little bit and made this an HTML file so it's easier for us to update. So it has all the information for CATS lab staff, the library, and student services. And that'll just take the student out to that website. This way you can go ahead and get rid of the contacts button down here at the bottom. Going back to course information, some of the things that you may have had in here before with contacts, if you have something there that you want to delete, you just click the down arrow and delete that whole module. You'll have to click OK another time. And we do recommend putting something at the top on how this course works, a guide for the student to get started and know where to go to next. The third button, assignments. You will have your mandatory first assignment already loaded here. This has changed a little bit. This is going to be a basic yes or no question that the student has to answer. This way we can more easily track who has completed the assignment, and actually you can use the retention center to automatically notify those who have not completed it when it gets near the due date. After that, you'll want your other assignments to fall underneath these. So maybe you have a button that you've previously been using called modules. So if all your assignments are under modules, you will need to move these things. Pretty simple to do. You click the down arrow, click the move button, and then you'll go to the destination folder and click browse. So I'm going to move from modules up to assignments. So I click assignments here and click submit. So I have 2 left. I'll do that one more time just to show you. Click the down arrow beside the assignment you need to move. Click the move button. Click in the browse button beside destination folder. Click assignments and click submit. So if I go to assignments now, the 2 items that I moved should show up here. And again, you can use the crosshairs to move these around to different orders. Once you're in assignments, if you rather name these something else, I don't have any particular names on these, but they can be called modules here or weeks here, whatever makes more sense to you for your course. And then the 4th button that's required is the grades. So this is already set up to go to your grade book. Students' #1 question we get, I can't find my grade, or where do I go to get my grades? You'll have a tools link that you were used to using before down here. Lots of things in here you're probably not even using. One of those was the grades, send email, different things that you may not even use from within Blackboard. So we're suggesting this is one of the ones you can delete. If you use this, feel free to use it as one of your 3 alternates. Remember, we have put the library information up in course information, so you can remove the library link. The new Common Course design will take some thought, planning, and work to get things moved around, but our hope is that each student will now have the same look when they first go into the course. We understand that your course is going to be different in structure, but we hope that everyone will be able to use the structure that was approved here to actually get started. I want to jump over here to a course that has been finished for fall, and Marcia said it was okay to use this for the video, the Introduction to Computers course. So she has the 4 required buttons over here to the left. Discussion board button is here. She's not utilizing that yet, but she has the option to do that as one of her alternates. And of course, we opened up into the page on the home page. The modules that are in here can be moved around by you, so if you want to put these kind of side by side so the student does not have to scroll, you can do that. And if at some point you're rearranging your course and you somehow removed your divider line, you can click the plus sign here and go down to divider and then move that right underneath the 4 required buttons, and then also use the same plus sign to add in any additional buttons that you want underneath here up to your 3. So this is an idea of how the course would look to the student. If I go to the little student preview, I can see exactly how to look to the student. Remember, that's something new in this version. So this is what the student will see when they come in. If I click course information, Marcia has chosen to put her picture in there, the technical support, the library resources that we left in. So just an idea of some things that she has put into her course here. If I go to assignments, she has her assignments broken down weekly, so she put a header above each one. So again, week 1, week 2, module 1, module 2, that's entirely up to you. If you have any questions at all about the Common Course design, how to set it up, you need help rearranging, please be sure to contact Cindy or Dee in the Office of Distance Learning. Thanks again. Have a great day.